The value of education. You really have two choices: education, ignorance. I mean, that's really what it is, right? Either you get educated or you're ignorant. And the problem with ignorance is we don't know, which means we really can't make a good decision if we don't have information. You can tell this by watching the news for about 5 minutes. So let's explore what education really is. A lot of times we think of it as though going to elementary school and to high school and maybe to college. But actually, it's much, much more. Education is exposing yourself to information, deliberately pushing to absorb, to read or hear, absorb, evaluate, and process information. Now, in order to help folks get educated, since we aren't born with the knowledge of how to get educated, we set up schools and pay for children to go in high school and elementary school, high school, and even on to college. So these tools, while they're a bit inefficient for actual learning, they're a standard way of making sure everybody gets like a minimal kind of level of education. But you can, whether you're in the place where you're starting your education or whether you're kind of beyond the age when you normally would think of going to school for education, you can augment your education through reading and absorbing yourself to multiple information. You've got to read multiple books, multiple pieces on various subjects, because all of them tend to be a little bit skewed, even in mathematics and engineering. So you can augment your education through the normal channels where you go to elementary school and high school and college, and then you can augment that by reading books from multiple authors, not just watching news. That tends to be so skewed by what is popular at a given time. But finding the books, reading the books, absorbing and mastering. And then as part of educating, instead of just kind of having that knowledge go through your mind and through your eyes and through your ears, you have to start developing the ability to retain that knowledge, to study, to master the knowledge, and to retain the key pieces, especially true in engineering, but it's true kind of across the board. You can do it. Get educated. Continue your education. You should never stop educating yourself about your career. For engineers, it's engineering material, politics, world history, spiritual things. You can do it. Get educated. Be great.